Hi, everyone. My name is Kristian.
Hi everyone, my name is Adrian.
Oh, hi, Adrian. How are you doing?
Hi Christian, thank you. I'm very well today. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing well too, thank you. Adrian, what are you drinking right now?
Um, I've
Oh,
just
wait. Let me guess. Let me guess. Adrian, right now, are you drinking some tea like this? Here's a tea bag. Adrian, are you drinking tea?
no, I'm not drinking tea from a tea bag.
Then what are you drinking right now?
Um, I'm drinking right now. I'm drinking water, but you, I can't show you because it's not a glass. You will have to believe me. You'll have to believe
Right.
me. It's water.
Oh, so you're drinking water from a mug. Yeah, that
Mug,
is a
big
mug.
mug.
This is a glass, and there's a little bit of water in this glass. So in your mug there, uh, you said that you have water in that mug, right?
Ah, I had water to
Oh,
about
you
here.
drank it all?
Now I've drunk it all, so now it's empty.
Oh, now it's empty.
But
Yes.
I saw in your glass, Christian, I saw in your glass you had a little bit of water left.
Yeah, I still have a little bit of water left in this glass. But actually, I also have a mug. So this is my mug, just like you had a mug. And
Right.
your mug had water in it, right? And you drank all of that water now, right?
Yeah, yes, the water is gone. It's gone. It's gone inside me.
Yeah. Adrian, do you know or can you guess what is in my mug?
Okay. I can't I can't see inside your mug, but I'm guessing it's coffee. Am I right?
No, no. Today it is not coffee. So in my mug, this is not coffee. Before I had coffee. So this coffee is from before, but in this mug, right now I don't have coffee. So this is not coffee.
Hmm. Oh, ah, I saw something there.
Oh,
I saw brown liquid. I saw
oh, oh!
brown liquid.
You saw something?
Yes,
Oh,
there it is.
yeah, yeah. So this is kind of brown or black, right?
Yes, it is. It is.
Yeah,
But
but
I can't tell what it is.
yeah, it's not coffee though. It's not coffee, and it is not tea either.
Hey,
So,
Christian,
mhm.
what are you drinking? What brown liquid is in your mug?
Well, this liquid that I am drinking, this drink is not coffee and not tea. It is this uh, Coca-Cola.
Uh-huh.
So I am drinking from this mug. I am drinking Coca-Cola. I am drinking this Coca-Cola.
Christian, do you like Coca-Cola?
Yes, I like this Coca-Cola. This is Coca-Cola, zero sugar.
Okay. So there's no sugar in that Coca-Cola.
Yeah, there's no sugar like this. This is sugar. This
Mm.
is sugar. Um, so this is sugar, but in this Coke, there is zero sugar. So it's called Coca-Cola zero sugar. So it has zero sugar. It has no sugar.
Mhm, mhm.
So I like this kind of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola zero sugar.
Is that type of Coca-Cola, the zero sugar Coca-Cola, is that your favorite? Your favorite?
I think it's my favorite. It's my favorite soft drink or carbonated beverage, you could call it. So some people call drinks like Coca-Cola, they call them pop or soda pop,
Yep.
or a soft drink or a carbonated beverage. That means, for example, if I shake this up, see all the bubbles there?
I can see the little bubbles. The
Yeah.
little bubbles.
And what if I open this? Let's see if it
Careful.
makes a sound. Oh, there's no. Yeah, there's. Well, it didn't it didn't make a sound, but it has lots of bubbles in it. So it has many bubbles like this. Let me draw it here.
So those are little bubbles of gas.
Yeah, they're little bubbles of gas. So in Coca-Cola or in a soft drink like that, there are many bubbles. There are bubbles of gas like this. Has bubbles and they fizz. They might make a sound like tss, tss.
That's right.
So,
And so we can also call it a fizzy drink. So it's a fizzy drink. It goes fizz.
yeah, it fizzes. It might make a sound like tss. Or if I drink it, I can feel the fizz on my tongue and in my mouth. And also you can see the fizz on top, especially if I shake it up like this. You can see fizz there. There's fizz from the bubbles in the drink. So there are bubbles of gas in the drink. It's called carbon dioxide or CO2.
And that's why you said it was carbonated.
Carbonated, yeah, carbonated.
Carbonated for carbon dioxide bubbles.
Yeah, so sometimes people call it a carbonated beverage. Sometimes people call it a carbonated beverage. But usually people just say soft drink, or sometimes pop or soda or a soda pop, or just a Coke. Coke is short for Coca-Cola. It even says on here, there, Coke. So this is Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola zero sugar, or for short, it's called Coke Zero, Coke Zero. So that is a soft drink or a carbonated beverage. It has CO2, so it's carbonated. It has lots of gas, CO2, carbon dioxide gas, and that makes it fizzy, so it fizzes. It might make a sound like when you open it, you might hear a sound like a sound, and also when you drink it. When I drink it, I can feel the bubbles. I can feel the fizz on my tongue and in my mouth.
And you like that feeling? It feels nice.
Yeah, it feels good. It feels good.
I bet it feels refreshing. So it feels good. It's fizzy. It's fizzy and it feels refreshing.
Yeah, it can make it feel refreshing and make it feel, tasty or refreshing or something like that. Yeah.
So how would you describe the taste of Coca-Cola?
To me, it tastes sweet. So even though this is Coca-Cola zero sugar, so it does not have sugar like this. It still tastes sweet. It tastes sweet. So it tastes sweet like sugar is sweet, but it does not have sugar. It has other things. For example, Oh, it has this. It has this chemical, and that makes it taste sweet. This is aspartame. So for example, it has aspartame, and that helps make it taste sweet. So even though it is 0 sugar, it does not have sugar like this. It does not have sugar, but it tastes sweet, like sugar tastes sweet.
And it's a very dark color.
Yeah, it's dark as well. It's almost, it looks black, like my t-shirt is black.
Right.
It's a very dark color.
Why is that? Do you know why is that?
Let me look at, oh, I see. So I'm looking at the ingredients. So this says what is in this drink.
Right.
I can read the ingredients on it. So the ingredients are the things that are in this. So it says, first of all, one ingredient is carbonated water. So remember, it's a carbonated beverage. A carbonated beverage has CO2. So that's carbonated water. So the first thing, it's mostly water, and it's carbonated water. So it's fizzy water or carbonated water. So that's the first thing. The next ingredient, it says, is caramel color. So the color, they add color to make it brown or black like this. So it looks, when there's a lot of it like this, it looks black. Maybe you can see.
It does look black. It's so dark. It's black.
Yeah, it looks very dark here.
Yes.
You can see a bit of brown, but mostly black. It's very dark. So it has lots of color. So they add lots of color to make it brown or black like this. And then also it has things, they add other things to make it sweet, to make it taste sweet. So it tastes sweet like sugar. That does not have sugar like this, but it tastes like sugar. It tastes sweet like sugar tastes sweet. So they add, for example, they add, oh, where is it? Where's the picture?
Where's the chemistry gone?
Here it is. So they add chemicals like this chemical. This is aspartame. So they add that to make it taste sweet.
And you like the taste?
Yeah, I like the taste. It tastes sweet. It also tastes a little bit sour. So it tastes, for example, here's this is lemon juice. Lemon juice is very sour. This is very sour. So if I drank this lemon juice, it would taste very sour.
Yes, really.
Lemons taste sour. This tastes a little bit sour. So it's a little bit sour. This is very, very sour. Lemon juice is very sour. This tastes a little bit sour. So it's very sweet and a little bit sour.
That little bit of sour acid flavor that makes it taste good.
Yeah. So it's good when it's a little bit sour and also very sweet like sugar is sweet. So it's very sweet like sugar is sweet, and it's a little bit sour like lemons. Lemons are very sour. This is a little bit sour.
So how much Coca-Cola do you drink in one day?
How much? Good question. How much Coca-Cola do I drink in one day? Well, I don't drink Coca-Cola every day. So, for example, let me draw 1 week here. So here's 1 week, and 1 week, of course, has 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 days. Today, what day is it today?
Sunday.
Today is
Sunday.
Today is Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday.
Yeah.
And after Monday comes Tuesday. After Tuesday comes Wednesday. After Wednesday comes Thursday. After Thursday comes Friday. Then after Friday comes Saturday. So yesterday was Saturday. Today is Sunday. So there's 1 week. I think I drink Coca-Cola maybe I'm not sure, maybe every 2 or 3 days. So for example, every 2 days might be today and then Tuesday. Let me use check marks here. So today is Sunday, then Tuesday, then 2 days after that is Thursday, then 2 days after that is Saturday. So that might be every 2 days.
Yeah.
So every 2 or 3 days, every 3 days would be like Sunday, then 3 days after that, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Yeah.
Wednesday. Yeah, so maybe how many times a week? How many times a week? Maybe 2 or 3 times a week. So for example, maybe Sunday, then Wednesday, then Friday, or maybe even 4 times a week. So Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, and Tuesday, something like that.
Okay.
So maybe 3 or 4 times a week. So not every day, this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, that would be every day. But I don't drink Coca-Cola every day. I drink it some days. I drink it maybe 3 days a week or maybe 4 days a week, something like that.
And when you do drink Coca-Cola, do you drink one glass or do you drink 2 glasses or do you drink the entire bottle?
Well, this bottle, this is a big bottle.
That is a big
So
bottle.
in one day, here's one day, I wouldn't drink all of this in just one day. But I might drink a smaller bottle. Here's a smaller bottle. So this bottle is smaller. I might drink a bottle like this. I might drink all of this. I might drink all of it in one day, but maybe only, I've drunk only about half of this bottle. So today I will only drink maybe half of this bottle.
Okay.
Or less than half maybe.
Okay. That's okay. Then you'll have some for tomorrow or when you next drink Coca-Cola.
Yeah, maybe I will drink the rest of this. So here's the rest of this. Maybe I will drink it tomorrow on Monday, or maybe I will drink it on Tuesday, the day after tomorrow. So maybe I'll drink it tomorrow on Monday, or maybe the day after tomorrow on Tuesday, or maybe Wednesday. But I don't want to wait too long. If I don't drink it, if I wait like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, if I wait many days, what will happen is it will lose all the fizziness. So all the bubbles will disappear.
Okay.
So then it will be flat. If it has no bubbles, no CO2, then it's flat. Then it doesn't taste. It's not as good when it's not fizzy. It's not good. After I open it, do you hear that sound?
We heard that. We heard that.
Yeah. So that's the carbonation. That's the CO2. So it's escaping. It's coming out. So when that comes out, more and more it comes out. It comes out. So today it is fizzy, but then that gas, the gas escapes. It comes out. So maybe after 2 days, like on Tuesday, or after 3 days, Wednesday, it will be less and less fizzy. And then by Thursday or Friday or Saturday, it will just be a little bit fizzy.
Yes.
Or maybe not fizzy at all after 1 week or after more than 1 week. Then it will be flat when it's not fizzy anymore. When all the gas escapes, when all that gas escapes, and it's not fizzy like that, then we can say it's gone flat. So
You're right.
yeah,
we call it flat.
Yeah, it's flat.
But it just it means no fizzy, just flat. No fizzy.
Yeah, so there's no fizz anymore. Like on the top, you can see some fizz there, but when that's gone, it's just flat. It even looks flat. There's no fizz anymore. It's just flat. Then it doesn't taste very good. It tastes sweet. It tastes sweet, and it tastes a little bit sour. So it tastes it tastes the same, but it doesn't have the fizz. So then that's not good. I don't like it like that.
No, I can understand. That's okay. But when did you buy that bottle of Coca-Cola?
Oh, this bottle. Well, I walked to the store and I bought it today. So today, around earlier today, so maybe around 11:30, or around noon today.
Okay.
So around 11:30 a.m. or around 12 noon today, around this time, I went outside and I walked to a store, and at the store I picked out this bottle of Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, or Coke Zero for short.
Yeah.
And I bought it. I paid about $2 for it. So I paid $2 for this bottle of Coca-Cola Zero Sugar.
It's a big bottle.
I took it home. Yeah, I walked back home. I walked back here with the bottle of Coca-Cola, and then I drank some of it. I drank this part. I still have this. So
when you walked home with that bottle of Coca-Cola, did you walk all the way home before you opened the bottle and started drinking?
Yeah, I did not walk and drink it while I was walking back home, and I didn't open it before walking home. First, I walked back here. So I walked back here with the Coca-Cola, with the full bottle. So before it was full. And then when I got back home, then I opened it.
Okay.
And then I poured some, and now I'm drinking the Coca-Cola. So now I'm drinking it.
When you started drinking the Coca-Cola, was it cold? Was it a cold temperature, or was it warm?
When I bought it, when I went to the store, it was warm, so it was not cold. At the store, it was on a shelf. So here are shelves. These are shelves. So at the store, it was on a shelf like this. There is a bottle. There's some bottles. It was on a shelf, and so I took the bottle off of the shelf. But this was not refrigerated. So this shelf is not refrigerated like this.
Right.
Here's a refrigerator. So this was not refrigerated. So maybe the temperature here was maybe 15 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Or even 20 degrees Celsius.
Okay, that's quite warm. It's quite
so warm. So it was warm. It was not cold. So when I came back home, so I walked back home with it. Then when I got back home, when I arrived back home, I took the container, I took this bottle of Coca-Cola, and I put it in the freezer. So this is the refrigerator.
Okay.
This part is the refrigerator. It's maybe about 2 degrees Celsius.
Yep.
So it's above zero. This part is the freezer. The freezer is, I think, maybe minus something, I don't know, maybe 5 degrees Celsius.
Minus 10.
Minus 5 degrees Celsius. Yeah.
Minus five. You've written minus 5. Okay, I believe that.
Yeah. So the refrigerator is cold, but the freezer is colder because colder. I wanted to make this cold very quickly, because before it was maybe 15 degrees Celsius or 20 degrees Celsius. So I put it here in the freezer so that it would get colder and colder very quickly.
And how long did you put it inside the freezer?
Not for very long. I put it in there in the freezer for maybe about about 1 hour, or maybe one and a half hours. So maybe 1 hour or about 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Yes.
So something like that. But I wanted it to get colder, maybe down to about 5 degrees Celsius, around there.
Yep.
But I did not want it to freeze. I did not want it to get this cold or below zero.
That's right, because
what happens, remember, this is water, it's carbonated water. So it's water. What happens if the water freezes, if the water goes down to 0 degrees Celsius or below?
So at 0 degrees Celsius, at 0 degrees, then water freezes.
Yeah.
It goes hard. So water freezes and it goes solid and hard.
Yeah, it gets hard. It turns to ice like this.
Turns to ice.
And what does water do when water? So here's water. When water freezes and turns into ice, what else does it do? What does it do? It gets hard, and also
the size gets bigger.
Yeah, it gets
bigger.
Yeah, it expands.
It expands.
Yeah, it expands a little bit, so it gets a little bit bigger. But so the Coca-Cola, which is, it's mostly water, it's in this container. If it gets bigger like that in the container, in the freezer like that, then what will happen? What might happen to the container?
The container could break. It could split, and the Coca-Cola could escape outside.
Yeah. So it could explode, or maybe not explode, but split, and the Coca-Cola would come out. So it might break the container.
Yeah.
So I did not.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah. So I wanted to remember, I think after 1 hour or 1 hour and 30 minutes, that would be enough. I only wanted it to get that cold, maybe 5 degrees Celsius, not this cold, not 0 degrees Celsius or below 0 degrees Celsius. So I did not want that, because this container might have broken or exploded. Maybe not exploded, but
you could say it wouldn't explode like that, but it would explode. Yes, like this. It go, and then
it might break, and then the Coca-Cola might come out in the freezer. And that would make a mess. What a mess that would be.
You would have brown ice.
Yes. Yeah, and it would be all over the freezer. I would have to clean it up. Yeah, so yeah, I just made it cold enough. So I think to drink, 5 degrees Celsius, somewhere around 5 degrees Celsius, that's good to drink. Good enough. I like to drink it cold. Also, if it's warm like this, it's not as good to drink. So if it's 20 degrees Celsius or even 15 degrees Celsius? What do you think?
I think that you're right. So 15 Celsius is a bit too high to drink. It's a bit warm, and the flavor isn't the same. When it's colder, the temperature's lower, say maybe just 5 degrees Celsius, then you'll get a good flavor. It will taste nice. It will taste refreshing. Kristian, do you drink Coca-Cola with ice?
Yes, sometimes I do. This, it was cold enough that I actually still, let me try. Yeah, this is okay. This is cold enough that it's good. But also, sometimes, or pretty often actually, so quite often I drink it with ice. So for example, here's some ice cubes. So these are ice cubes from the freezer. So they were in the freezer and I took them out of the freezer. So they're in this glass and it feels cold. They feel cold. Oh, they're starting to melt here.
Yep.
So they're starting to melt. It's getting warmer and they're turning into water. And here I can add. Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear that?
The gas was it was going out.
Yeah, the gas is coming out. So the gas is escaping. And also remember when I can do this. Oh, even when I see the gas comes out. For example, if I do this, whoa. I didn't think it would do that. It's a good thing that this is not full. So when you shake it up, that makes the gas come out. When I shake it up like that, the gas comes out. And it's a good thing I stopped it. Oh, maybe if I open it up slowly. Oh, yeah, the gas escapes more when I open it. And so it builds up pressure. It builds up pressure like that. And then if I open it, if I don't want it to spill out everywhere. So I have to
just
careful. Yeah. I have to open it carefully, slowly. See, it comes up because the gas wants to escape kind of. The gas comes out. Once I've shaken it up like that, the gas wants to come out, and with it, it brings the Coca-Cola out. So now it's okay. So now enough has escaped. Can you hear the fizz? Can you hear that?
I can't.
Okay, it's not loud enough. But if I put this to my ear, I can hear the fizz. So I can hear it fizzing. I like that sound. So it sounds fizzy, it tastes fizzy, it feels fizzy. So so I like it when it's fizzy and not flat. So what was I going to say?
Were you going to do
that scared me? I didn't want it to explode all over.
You were very quick. You went, that was very quick. I was impressed.
Yeah, good thing. At least, the good thing is this is Coke Zero. So at least this is not sugar. If this had sugar, like regular, this is Coca-Cola with sugar. So this Coca-Cola has sugar. So kind of like this. So this is sugar. The problem with sugar is sugar is, especially sugar and water, they're very sticky together. So like glue is sticky. Here's a glue stick. So, or for example, here's some sticky notes. These are sticky, they can stick. Like stick it to my face or stick this to the wall, because this part is sticky. See, it's sticky. So sugar and water together are sticky like that. So if you spill something like this, like Coca-Cola with sugar, this will be very sticky. So but this will not be sticky in the same way because it does not have sugar. It just has chemicals like aspartame. So I don't think this will be sticky, but I don't want it. It has the color though. I don't want that color
don't
on
want
things.
it everywhere.
Yeah, it still has the black color or the brown or black color, right? So
So-
that will still make a mess.
I saw your little can of
Mhm.
Coke. Which do you prefer, the bottle or the can? Does it make a difference to you?
So I have, yeah, these are cans. So here's a can of regular Coca-Cola, where it says original taste.
Yeah.
So that's original Coca-Cola or regular Coca-Cola, you could say. Here's a can of Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. So that's a can. Sometimes I like cans, but only if I'm going to drink all of it. So the can is smaller. So then I can open it and drink all of it. But if I only want to drink some of it, if I just want to drink some of it, I can't close this again. Once I open it, I can't close it again.
No.
This, when I take off the lid, so I can open it, I can take off the lid, I can drink some of it, then I can close it again. I can put the lid back on and I can close it again. So this one I can close again. These I can't close again. But I mean, I can open it, I can drink some, and I can put it in the refrigerator if I want. But this is more convenient because I can close it again. So that's more convenient. That's more useful in a way.
That's it.
So I like the bottles like this.
That's a clever reason. That makes sense to me. It also means if you go on a journey, for example, you could have some Coca-Cola from the bottle, and if you put the cap back on and put it aside, you can then maybe go somewhere, maybe drive the car, and then when you get out of the car, you can finish your drink, and it still has fizzy bubbles.
Right.
Because you closed the top.
Yeah. So for example, if I drive somewhere, if I have this, for example, this, if I open it, I can't close it again. So then I worry, oh no, I might spill it or something, especially in the car. So I don't want to do that. With this, I can open it, I can take the lid off, then I can drink some, I can put the lid back on. And while I'm driving or walking or even running or doing something else, I don't have to worry if it turns upside down or turns on its side or something like that. I don't have to worry about it spilling, so it won't spill as long as this is closed. Oh, do you hear that sound again? Yeah. I have to be careful of that. So I have to be careful of shaking it up and the gas coming out, or the gas and the Coca-Cola coming out quickly. But if I close it tightly, like that, tightly, if I turn it on its side, it's okay. It does not spill out. It does not come out. If I turn it even upside down, it still does not come out. So that's better. So usually I don't buy these, and I don't buy these small cans usually. And usually I don't buy these. I usually buy this size. So I usually buy the small bottles. So this is a big bottle. This is a small bottle. And usually I buy these small bottles. Usually I buy 6 of these small bottles together. So like a 6-pack, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these bottles together. Then also I can open one and I can drink it in maybe 1 or 2 or 3 days, and it's still fizzy. It's still fizzy. This, if I wait too long, like after maybe 1 week, then it might be flat. Maybe all the gas has gone out. So this, if I take too long to drink it, it will go flat. But with this, I can drink it faster, and I can open one at a time and drink it faster. So and it doesn't.
And it doesn't go flat.
Usually, because usually I can drink all of it, in maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 days. Usually I drink all of a small bottle like this. I can drink all of it in just 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 days. So still, it will still be fizzy. It won't be flat. But this, if I take a long time, if I take maybe 1 week or 7 days to drink it, it will lose all the fizz, all the carbonation. So it will go flat after too long.
And also, if you have the big bottle, so the big bottle in the fridge, so you put the big bottle in the fridge, it's there for a week, taking up a lot of space for a whole week.
Yeah.
But the smaller bottle will be gone after 3 or 4 days, and then you can put something else in the fridge.
Yeah, so this is big, and so it takes up more space in the fridge. It's like this, kind of like this in the fridge. It takes up more space, so it's bigger in the fridge. It takes up more space in the fridge.
So when you buy the 6 smaller bottles,
6 of these,
those ones, do you put them in the same place and drink them one at a time, or do you put them in different places so you have them when you need them?
so if I have 6, I take one and I open it, or I put one in the fridge, and then I finish that one. Then I take another and I put that in the fridge, in the refrigerator, and then I drink that one, and so on. So one by one.
One at a time.
Yeah, one at a time. So one by one. So I keep the others. So if I have 6, maybe in a cupboard or something, or here in this room or something, I keep them there, and then I put them. So for example, here's a cupboard. So I keep them in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I take one and put it in the fridge, then drink that one, and then take another one. So one by one by one. Yeah.
And when is your last Coca-Cola drink of the day? Do you stop at a certain time of day?
Do I stop? Right. So Coca-Cola has caffeine, right? So this is caffeine. There's another molecule. So this before I showed aspartame. So the aspartame, that's one chemical that makes it taste sweet. So it makes this sweet like sugar. Where's the sugar gone? Where's my sugar? Oh, here it is. There's the sugar. So this makes it taste sweet. There's also Coca-Cola also has caffeine. So Coca-Cola also has caffeine, like coffee like this, or coffee like this. Coffee has lots of caffeine. Coffee has lots and lots of caffeine. And if I drink lots of caffeine, that keeps me awake, or makes me, if I drink lots and lots, if I drink too much caffeine in things like coffee, then you might even feel like jittery or like too awake. And if I want to sleep, then if I drink lots of caffeine, then I might not be able to sleep. I might try to sleep, but be awake like that. So later in the day, let me erase all this. So later in the day, let me write down the times here. So for example, in the morning, so here's the morning, for example, 9 o'clock in the morning, then 12 o'clock is noon, then there's 3 o'clock, 3 p.m., 6 o'clock, 6 p.m., 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. So that's the evening, then afternoon, 12 p.m. That's noon, 9 a.m. That's the morning. So I'll drink in the morning around maybe 8 a.m.
Okay.
I'll drink coffee like this, and that has lots of caffeine. So it's high in caffeine. It has lots of caffeine. But in the morning, I might feel kind of sleepy. So that helps me wake up. So I'll drink coffee in the morning. Coffee has lots of caffeine. Then later, I might drink more coffee around noon, but I'll drink, I think this kind of coffee, instant coffee, has less caffeine. So it's lower in caffeine. And there's also decaf. So this kind of instant coffee, it's decaffeinated. So it has no caffeine, or it's very, very, very low in caffeine. So later in the day, I drink that kind of coffee. So later in the day, coffee that's lower in caffeine, or even that has no caffeine. So decaffeinated coffee. Yep. So after around 3 p.m., after around this time, I don't want to drink very much caffeine. So I want to drink less caffeine. But Coca-Cola has caffeine, but it has less caffeine than coffee like this. So it's lower in caffeine, but it has some caffeine. So I might drink this later in the day. So I might drink some at dinner at 6 p.m. I might drink Coca-Cola. So I might drink Coca-Cola around up till this time, or 3 p.m. in the afternoon, or noon, 12 p.m. Usually in the morning, I would not drink Coca-Cola. So usually I would drink it in the afternoon around these times. I would drink Coca-Cola like this. At 9 p.m. or after 6 p.m., I might drink some Coca-Cola, but not that much. Maybe a small glass, maybe a little bit like that in the evening. But still, it doesn't have much caffeine. So I would not, at this time, or 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. or 9 p.m. in the evening, I would not drink coffee like this, or coffee like this with lots of caffeine. I would not drink that around this time. I'll drink decaf. Decaf is low in caffeine, or has no caffeine, or almost no caffeine. Or I drink some Coca-Cola, some of this Coca-Cola, but not very much, because I don't want to drink very much caffeine. So around this time, I don't want to drink much caffeine.
Right.
But Coca-Cola has some caffeine, but so I'll drink maybe a little bit around this time.
I'm kind of similar. So I wake up, I drink hot water. I drink a lot of hot water. Then I drink tea. Then I drink more tea. Tea. Then before bed, I drink more hot water. If I drink a carbonated beverage, if I drink a fizzy drink, it's in the afternoon. So after lunch, maybe 12 o'clock, noon, maybe 3, maybe 6, but not much later. So because it's fizzy, it's refreshing. Then after that time, later, I want to relax again.
Right. But for example, Coca-Cola or also Pepsi, it says Pepsi. It says this has caffeine. So there's Pepsi. Some soft drinks. So Pepsi is a soft drink. Coca-Cola is a soft drink. Some soft drinks like these ones have caffeine. I think other soft drinks do not have caffeine.
Okay. So it's good that you've got Coca-Cola and you've got Pepsi too. So you like them both?
I like Pepsi too, but usually, actually, there's also Pepsi. This Pepsi, this is regular Pepsi. It has sugar, but usually I drink soft drinks that have zero sugar. Like this is Coke Zero Sugar. There's also Pepsi that does not have sugar. It has something like, where's that picture? It has something else to make it taste sweet.
Right.
Where did I put the picture? Where did it go? Where did it go? Well, you know what I mean. So it tastes,
I know
it tastes sweet, but it has no sugar like that. Usually, there's Pepsi, no sugar. But I like the Coca-Cola Zero Sugar more, I think.
Okay. When's your next drink of cola?
Right now.
You still have
I will
it?
try it. Yeah, right now I will try it. Maybe I should use this.
Have you still got that mug? You had a mug of
Oh, right.
Coca-Cola?
Yes.
Is that
This
still
time,
there somewhere?
well, I want some colder. This is more refreshing. It's colder. I've poured it over the ice.
Lovely.
So now this one is very cold. So let me put the cap back on there. And so this is colder. And then this one. So I have the mug with some Coca-Cola in it. And I have this with Coca-Cola, Coke Zero, and ice.
I can imagine that the Coca-Cola with ice is different and more refreshing. Is it very different in flavor?
Well, I think as the ice melts, so the ice is melting and it's getting colder and colder because the ice, at first it wasn't very cold, but now the ice is making it colder and colder. So it's getting colder and colder. So this tastes more refreshing because it's very cold.
You look refreshed. You look refreshed.
Do I?
Yeah.
Do I look refreshed?
You do, yeah.
Oh, I feel a little bit tired because we've been talking a lot. So, but drinking this Coca-Cola helps me feel refreshed and want to talk more. So when I drink this Coca-Cola,
that's the caffeine.
The caffeine, because I think because of the caffeine, I feel more awake, and then I can talk a bit more. So I can talk more and more.
Watch, listen, understand, learn. Watch and listen to understand and learn English. Comprehensible English.